All right, today I'm gonna be taking you through the cable adduction exercise. All you'll need to do this is one of these ankle or wrist cuffs to attach to your ankle, and you'll be able to hit your adductors in a home gym or a gym that doesn't have an adductor machine. Now, the key when doing this movement is that you get the cable as low on your ankle as possible. You don't want to have it halfway up your leg, and that you have the cable at a good height. If you have it too high up, you're not going to feel comfortable. And for some cables, it just doesn't feel good. So you may need to get something to stand on, like a little block or a plate to elevate your foot. That's the stance foot. Now, as you're executing the movement, the key is that you have something to hold you stable. So if you can grab onto the rack across from you, that helps. If you're in your home gym and you have like an incline bench, put the incline bench in front of you and grab onto the incline bench. That way you can keep stable. And the more stable you are, the better you're gonna be able to push this movement. Now, as we're executing the movement, we wanna try and get the biggest stretch on our adductor as possible. So when executing this movement, we wanna try to get the biggest range of motion as possible. We don't have an adductor machine, so we're gonna try to get the most out of this. So I like to get my leg as far away from me as possible. And as I'm holding on to something to keep me stable, I then pull my leg into me, flexing my adductor, trying to pull it in, keeping my leg straight the entire time. And I squeeze that adductor on the concentric. I maybe hold it there for half a second and then go into the next rep. Ultimately, this isn't a super difficult exercise. The key is just that you don't go too heavy too soon, and you make sure you get a really good range of motion on every rep. If you can do those two things, you'll be able to hit your adductors with just a cable